While global headlines focus on traditional military strength, a fundamental transformation is reshaping modern warfare. Battles of the next 2 decades will not be won strictly by troop numbers or conventional artillery. They will be decided by microchips, orbital tracking satellites, quantum encryption, and stealth platforms operating beyond visual range. Under the National Roadmap for 2047, India has initiated a massive strategic pivot. This is an inside technical look at the next-generation weapon architectures, aerospace programs, and space shields designed to secure total multi-domain deterrence. At the core of aerial modernization is the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA. Modern air superiority is defined by signature management. The AMCA integrates a stealth-optimized airframe with an internal serpentine air intake design, completely shielding the engine turbine blades from incoming enemy radar pulses. Combined with advanced radar-absorbent materials and internal weapons bays, its radar cross-section is reduced to a fraction of a square meter. But the real technological jump lies in sensor fusion. The platform utilizes an indigenously developed active electronically scanned array, or ACER radar, paired with an optical electronic distributed aperture system. This gives the pilot a 360-degree tactical picture without emitting detectable signals. While the AMCA Mark I enters production with high-thrust engines, the Mark II roadmap directly integrates 6th-generation capabilities, specifically manned-unmanned teaming, allowing the pilot to command autonomous loyal wingman drones to saturate hostile air defense zones.
Air superiority means little without orbital control. In modern warfare, space is the ultimate high ground. India's Space Situational Awareness Network, integrated under Mission DEF Space, forms the orbital tier of the national defense grid. This architecture connects multi-band imaging satellites, electronic intelligence payloads, and secure optical laser communication links that are completely immune to traditional RF jamming. Protecting these space assets and ground infrastructure is the Phase 2 ballistic missile defense system. Utilizing long-range tracking radars capable of acquiring hypersonic targets at thousands of kilometers, the 81 and 82 interceptors provide a dual-layer defense. Operating in both the exoatmospheric and endoatmospheric regimes, these interceptors use advanced maneuver control thrusters and direct hit-to-kill technology to destroy incoming high-speed warheads long before they reach their descent phase. Beneath all hardware lies a critical vulnerability that global defense forces are racing to secure: the semiconductor supply chain. Modern precision-guided munitions, radar transmit-receive modules, and secure communications rely entirely on advanced microelectronics. Under the current domestic semiconductor manufacturing push, priority is shifting toward commercial and defense-grade fabrication, specifically gallium nitride and silicon carbide power electronics. Gallium nitride allows radar systems to operate at significantly higher power densities and frequencies with less thermal signature, drastically increasing tracking ranges while shrinking physical hardware size. Running on top of this hardware is sovereign military artificial intelligence. Rather than relying on cloud-based systems vulnerable to electronic warfare, tactical defense AI is deployed directly at the edge, inside drone pods, radar antennas, and command vehicles. This allows autonomous real-time threat categorization and fire control solutions, even in dense GPS-denied combat environments.
As battlefield threats evolve toward low-cost drone swarms and loitering munitions, firing multi-million-dollar interceptor missiles at every small target is economically unsustainable. The answer is directed energy weapons, or DEWs. Research and development into high-energy tactical lasers and high-power microwave systems represents the next layer of perimeter defense. High-power fiber lasers deliver concentrated thermal energy to burn through drone airframes and optical sensors at the speed of light, with a cost per shot measured in pennies. Simultaneously, wide-beam microwave systems emit directed electromagnetic pulses that fry the internal navigation chips of entire drone swarms instantaneously, creating an impenetrable electronic dome over critical tactical assets. The road to 2047 is not defined by individual platforms, but by the convergence of domains, where orbital sensors cue hypersonic defenses, edge AI guides autonomous wingmen, and sovereign silicon ensures uninterrupted strategic independence. As space rapidly becomes the front line of global strategic competition, how are other spacefaring nations preparing for orbital conflict? To see how space warfare and anti-satellite weapons actually work in orbit, click this breakdown on the screen right now.
We break down complex aerospace engineering, defense architectures, and strategic intelligence. If you value data-driven technical analysis, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an operational breakdown.